Hey guys, it is the Green Brick here, and I have got this Lego magic trick. This is super cool, right? There is not a single thread. Put my second through, and it is entirely Lego, by the way. So, guys, now I'm going to show you what I've done here. So, what I won't show people is the bottom of this piece. It's a magnet, but it's by Lego. So I'm calling it Lego because you can see here, might be hard, but you can actually see the Lego symbols. But if I were to take off the bottom, you probably guessed it. Yes, another magnet. Now this magnet is underneath here, upside down. And this plate here was just resting on top of it. And this means now, this will float on top. Now if I just get the rest of this thing. Kind of difficult to do. You just gotta pop it in there. There. Right in. Plop this in. There. Then. Boop. It's floating. So it's a very cool magic trick to show your friends. And I'm probably not going to do a tutorial for this. I'll just show you here. It's just some pieces around. Some 1x6s and 1x4s. Then we've got some clear pieces. And then 1x4s and 1x6s on the top. Then a tile and the magnets. And there's a few plates to keep them in line. So, yeah, this looks really legit. It actually looks like it's floating. So, yeah. Bye. See you in the next video.